Okay, so here is a Khan Academy practice called Solutions of Systems of Equations. I did not mean to click B. I don't know if that's the answer yet. Okay, so there's a few ways we can go about this. So let's say here I have y equals 3x minus 5. So I'm going to go and rewrite that over here. So y equals 3x minus 5. Whoops, hold on. I need to zoom out to use all my colors. There we go. Okay, and it's asking me, is 2 comma 1 a solution of the system? So the point 2 comma 1, the 2 is the x coordinate and the 1 is the y coordinate. So what I need to do is plug in 2 for x and 1 for y here to see if it makes my equation true, to see if they actually equal each side. So my y was 1. And we're trying to figure out, is it equal to 3 times x, which in this case, x is 2. This is the point we're testing, minus 5. So here, 1 equals, or does it equal? 3 times 2 is 6 minus 5. 1, does it equal 6 minus 5 is 1? Yes, it does. So it is a solution of that first equation. But it has to be a solution of the system, which means both of those equations there, okay? So once again now I have to test y equals x minus 1. So it's just this equation right there. So same thing, my x, I need to plug in a 2 for x. We're testing the same point. And the y, we have to plug in the 1 to see if that works. So we want to see, okay, is 1 equal to 2 minus 1? Well, what's 2 minus 1 is 1. They are equal. Okay, so this one also worked for that point. So your answer here would be yes, they are. It is a solution of the system. Another thing you could do, you do want to know how to solve it with the way I just showed you, but to double check your work, you can go to Desmos Graphing, and we can type in y equals, I think it was 3x minus 5. And then we can also type in y equals x minus 1. And so what we want to do there is look to see what their solution is. And remember, the solution is where two lines intersect. So this is a system of equations, and 2 comma 1 is the solution to this system because they both have that point on their line. And we know that because that's where they cross, right? So just like we proved here with our work algebraically, we're going to choose yes for this answer. So make sure that you pause the video if you don't have all of this written down yet. So this one is yes, it is a solution to the system. All right, so let's do another one. I want to try to find one that doesn't work just so you can see what happens in that case. So here we have the point 3 comma 7. The 3 is the x of the coordinate and 7 is the y. So let's go ahead and test this first equation here. Once again, the y, we have to substitute in what it is from our point. So in this case, it's 7. Okay, equals -4, and -4x, that means they're being multiplied. And in this case, our x is a 3. So we're going to test this equation by plugging in that coordinate. So here, we're wondering, is it equal? So we have 7 equals, question marks, we don't know yet. -4 times 3 is -12. And then we have the -5. So you want to use your calculator if you're not or if you're not as strong with your negatives. So -12 minus 5 would be -17. So these are not equal. They are not equal. Okay, so now you can say right away, nope, not a solution. If it's not a solution for one of them, that point isn't even on that line, right? So it doesn't work. So let's just in case, What if like your first one worked and then your second one didn't? So let's see if this one might work. It might work. We don't know yet. So let's see. So 3x minus 2. So the y, I'm going to substitute in the 7 from our point that we're testing. And then we're going to multiply the 3 times the x that we're testing, which is another 3. It's just the x. No coincidence there. Or it's just a coincidence that they're both 3's there. I do want to apologize. My allergies are killing me, so that's why I am sniffling so much. I am so sorry. So here we're wondering, is it equal? 3 times 3 is 9. We have that minus 2. 7 equals 7. Yes, 9 minus 2 is 7. So this one works. But since it didn't work for the first equation up here, then it is not going to be the solution of the system. A system means it has to be a solution for both of them. So no. So let's see what this looks like whenever we graph these two lines. I wonder if they intersect anywhere. Because they probably have a solution, right? But it's just not the 0.3 comma 7. So let's see here. So I have negative 4x minus 5. I'm the worst at remembering things. Let me go see what the other one is. 3x minus 2. Okay. 3x minus 2. So let's look here. So they do intersect, but that is definitely not the point that we were testing, right? We were asked, is 3 comma 7 a solution? If we look here and we plot the point 3 comma 7, that point is on our blue line, right? Which is the y equals 3x minus 2. And we got that it was a solution to that equation only. But you guys see here, our point is way up there, right? We'll label it our point A. So you see up there, our point A is way up there, and it does not fall on the red line at all. So it is not a solution to the system, only that one line. So our answer here is no. So again, pause your video if you have not written all of this down. So we'll go and say no here. Now I'm going to go ahead and end my video here because I hope that those two problems showed you how to do these problems. And I want to go make a few other videos for you. So hopefully this helped. Reach out to me if you still have any further questions.